Hello, welcome to T Developers. In this video, let's see how we can perform runtime type checking in Dart. So what is type checking? Type checking means checking the type of any variable or object, whether it is integer, double, string or something else. Dart is a combination of static type checking and runtime type checking language. So first let's understand what is static type checking. In static type checking, checking variables types are done at the compile time and compiler inform you about the error. Let's see the example. In this example, we have a variable a of type integer, variable v of type dynamic, and here we are trying to print v by a, but here static type checking is done, so compiler is informing us about the error that we can't use divide operator to a string because compiler know it is a string. So this is the example of static type checking. And the benefit of static type checking is that at the time of writing our code, we know what is the error and we avoid runtime error by knowing the type of variables. Now let's understand what is runtime type checking and when we need it. So runtime type checking is a checking of variables type while running the program. For example, we have a dynamic list and we have to perform specific action based on the elements of the list. Let's say we have to display some message, like if the list item is integer, then we have to display integer is, then item name. If item is string, then we have to display string is and then the value of that item. So in Dart we have Dart runtime type property which we can use for checking a type of any variable. Like we can say if I dot runtime type equal to int, then we can simply print integer is. We can also use is operator to check whether the variable is integer or string or something else. So we have two methods. Either we can use dot runtime type or we can use is operator. If I is integer, then it will return a true, it will be evaluated as true. If I is not integer, then it will be evaluated as false, similarly to all the variables.